Well, okay, so I'm going to try to do a little bit better of a close-up on repairing these SMOK coils today. I wouldn't say I've got the setup for it, but hopefully this will help everybody with any kind of questions that you have. Well, here we go. Okay, well, I'm going to give this a shot now. It's going to be hard to keep it in focus, but I'll do the best that I can. And I'm going to, let's see if we can't see where see how this top here is gapped right now? That's not from me, that's how it came from SMOK. I'm going to slowly spin it around. Oh, you know what? This is a repaired one. No, it's not. It's just not as easy to see. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be difficult. Okay, right there. You see that lead, that silver thing right there in the middle? That's the one that's coming up underneath this black gasket. The other one, let me see if I can locate, oh, there it is. The other one is coming right below the silver top. Let me see if I can get an angle. See it kind of poking through right there? And that's what's holding the silver guy from sitting down flush. So I'm just going to kind of slide it over, and I'm going to kind of twist and pull this end off. And then you'll really be able to see it. See how that one just sitting over the top? Not good. So, I can't tell if it's in focus. It's probably focusing on my finger. So I'm going to take my wire cutters on that one, and I'm just going to snip it off flush with the black gasket. Okay, it's flush. The other one I can't get to without taking this insulator off. So I'm just going to pry that off. It just comes right off. And you can see the second lead. Come on, focus. And right there. It's sitting right over the top of the silver. So I'm going to take that one and I'm going to just snip it off flush with the silver. It's hard to do this on the freaking camera. This one. So I'm just taking just a little bitty bit off, not much. It's there on the wire cutters. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, just a little bitty bit. Now I have the two leads. Now one of them has to go on the outside of this insulator, and the other one's got to go on the inside. So I'm going to take it, and I got to line up these little grooves into the coil, into the holder. And so I'm going to slide that in like that, because that's going to push that one underneath the bottom there. So now it's underneath, and this one is on the inside. I hope that you guys can see that okay. Now if they were both on the inside, it would be a direct short and it would never work. Now I'm just going to kind of tap it down a little bit. Then I'm going to take out the center piece that I took out originally, and I'm going to put I'll put it on top so you can see it. So there's the silver piece on top. And I'm going to kind of come in at an angle. And then I'm going to just twist it in. And that's it, we're done. Now they're both underneath it, and the top sits down flush. And the juice can't leak through that anymore. Okay, now I'm going to grab a multimeter. We'll just check it and make sure that it rings out okay. Okay, so now I've got the multimeter. It's on ohms. And I'm going to take, it doesn't matter which lead, one of them's got to touch the outside of the coil, and then the other one's going to touch the inside. And I should see my resistance. There you go. Now I don't really want my fingers in there, because if I put my fingers in there, then it's going to read the resistance of my body, which is what it's doing. It's kind of hard to hold it without one of my fingers touching. So I'll just hold the bottom and then put this one on. 0.5 ohms, which is about what it's supposed to be. So it's not shorted. If it was shorted, then it would look, you know, like 0.1, almost no resistance. If it was open, then it would show that it was open, where I didn't get it right. So that's all there is to it. I hope that helps clarify a little bit. It's a pain, I agree. I wish SMOK would fix it, but they are not going to. So good luck. Take care.